This is promising. I got these carts from the World Domination store. So Mr. Bezos has more rocket fuel. And so basically, it's a four-wheeled utility cart, but I don't need the wheels, and I don't need the utility, and I don't need the cart. What I do need are shelves for these batteries. So, especially this big sucker here, this 200 amp battery is really big, and it fits perfectly in this shelf. Ask the inspector, he'll tell you. I have 7 batteries that I need to combine into a 24 volt system. So what I have is I have 3 Renogy batteries. These are AGM batteries, and this one is 200 amps, and then I have 200 amp batteries. That one I'm still putting in the case. So I'll put the 200 amp batteries in parallel and then run those series into the 200 amp battery, and that will give me one set of 24 volt batteries. Then I have a whole mishmash of lithium iron phosphate batteries. This is a 90 amp battery that I bought. This is a 280 amp battery that I built from battery cells. So I need to get to 280 amps on that. So I've got a 100 amp battery, I've got a 100 amp battery, and I got a 90 amp battery that's used. That's going to get me close to 280 amps. Close enough for me. Yes, it's not perfect. Yes, it's not ideal. Yes, we're not supposed to combine lithium iron phosphate and lead acid batteries, but really the charging voltages are close enough for my small project that that'll work. So anyways, we're going to throw away the handle, we're going to throw away the wheels, and we're going to use these as battery shelves. And then what I did was I went to Play It Again Sports, and I got a bunch of dollar hockey pucks. So I will use those as insulator feet. And I just measured and drilled my first hole, so that works. So I'm going to put feet on these. And I've got 2 boxes, so that'll give me 4 shelves for my 7 batteries, and we'll see how that works out.